Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show and teach you some tips on making a good compa drum inside FL Studio or any DAW. As we know, good Kompa Zouk starts with good drums and percussion. If you fail the whole beat. Normally, when you hear good drums or percussions, it sounds very complex, but it's simple. I will teach you and you will thank me later. Let's go straight to the point. To compose good drums and percussions, you need good drums and percussions that have Kompa or Zouk authenticity. I have my custom-made Kompa production kit. To get it, link on the video description. So let's get started. Here I have my beat, which has no kick or percussion. That is what we are going to learn today. I will choose my BPM or tempo. In this video, we will add a couple of samples. First, kick. Listen to this kick and how it sounds is heavy and sounds like a live musical. Second, I will add ram shot. Then I will add hi-hats. Third, I will add open hat. Then Zouk tom, low conga and high conga. Cowbell, snares and tom have so many things to add, but don't be afraid, I will break down each step and you will understand. I want you to know this. If you have a complex task, take it and break it into small pieces. And that's my approach in music. I will start with kick, then rim shot. Select all, hold shift and drag to the right to duplicate, then repeat the process. Select all, hold shift and drag to the right to duplicate, then repeat the process. Hi-hat to this point is enough, and now it's time to create congas and other percussions. Don't draw it too much like we did on hi-hat or kick. We need to play it in very small parts. Too much is boring. Simplicity is best. Select all, hold shift and drag to the right to duplicate, then repeat the process. Select all, hold Shift and drag to the right to duplicate, then repeat the process. Take this pattern and delete some instruments, and I think we only need a hi-hat, rim shot and zouk tung for this pattern. After that, use it in the intro section. I will change a little bit at the final step. This will alert the singer that the verse is dropping after that drum fill. Also, it adds variation to our drum patterns. Don't make your drums sound the same for the whole beat. I will repeat this process. I take the main drum pattern and clone it into multiple patterns, which can be 3, 4, or even more, and make minor changes on each pattern to differentiate them. Changes including adding a tom or snare, or modifying kick steps and layering crash and claps. If you listen carefully, you will notice I adjust one drum loop pattern with little minor changes. When it comes to the solo part, things go crazy a little bit. Here we like to play so many drums to hype people. People love to dance to zouk music. The solo part allows people to wake up from their seat and start dancing. Let us make them dance and sweat. So I will take the main pattern, delete a couple of kick steps from the beginning and add some other drum. Here I just follow the solo plus bass vibes. The solo part is where I spend a lot of time. Sometimes I can leave the beat, go out, listen to an old zouk song to get some inspiration, and come back to redo it again.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, I hope you have learned a lot from this video. If that's true, hit the subscribe button. As our community grows up, it gives me the motivation to do more Kompa or Kizomba tutorials. Also, don't forget to share this video and write your comment in the comment section. Thank you and see me on the next videos.